Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a product review on Nivea Natural Fairness. Though the name now has been changed to Perfect and Radiant. Now Perfect and Radiant was Natural Fairness. You guys can see it now. So the name have been changed now to Perfect and Radiant, but it was formerly Nivea Natural Fairness. You guys can see it. But it's still the same, the same lotion, the same, just the name that's changed in it. Everything about the lotion is still the same. Even the ingredients used in producing it, everything is still the same. The only thing that changed in this lotion is the name. It was Natural Fairness before, but now Perfect and Radiance. So hello guys, I've been using this lotion now. I was using this before. Then when they changed the name, I was using this particular one, Natural Fairness, before. Then when it finished, I went to the where I buy my lotion, to the supermarket to get another one. So I now see this one. So they told me that it's the same thing, that just the name changed. So okay, I said okay. I buy it, go through the ingredient, everything is just still the same. So I've been using it now for about 3 months now, that I've been using this particular lotion, this Nivea Perfect and this Nivea Natural Fairness. So and I say okay, I'm not going to make any product review on it. I'm not going to make any review on it until I see how how it goes on me, until I see how it goes on my body before I make any review about the lotion. So and I say okay, this is the perfect time for me today, because I've been using this lotion now for like 3 months now. So this particular lotion, my observation about this lotion is that, because the names, as you can see, the name say Natural Fairness. So since I've been using this lotion, this is my honest opinion, honest review. I've been using it now for 3 months. Since I've been using it, that Natural Fairness is not something that you use, within 1 week you become fair overnight, or you become fair within a week. The Natural Fairness, as the Natural Fairness in it is something that will make, is something that will like, is a gradual process. It's not something that, as in, you use within 1 week, 1 day, boom, you are fair. It is a gradual process. It's not something that overnight Uyibo pepper. This one is not like that. So for 3 months now that I've been using it, that's when I start noticing changes on my body, on myself, on my skin, is from the second month of my usage. From the second month that I start using it, that I start noticing, changes on my skin and all that. As you can see now, I'm not applying any makeup. I'm not applying any makeup on my face. In fact, my face is just, this is how because I just wake up from sleep. This is how my face is. No makeup. I didn't apply any makeup on my face, nothing. So this is just my natural self, my natural face, my natural body. I've not applied anything on my body, and I've been using this lotion now for like 3 months now. So the lightening effect, as you can see, I'm not that yibo, as in, it does not really make my skin to be, as in, to be yellow, or to be, it does not really make my skin to be like fair, or too fair like that. It does not bleach. That one is certain. It doesn't bleach the skin at all. It does not bleach. And at the same time, the lightening effect is slow, not really is, as in, slow. And when I start seeing changes on my body was when on the second month of me using it. That is when I really see noticeable changes on my body. As you can see my face now, as you can see, look at the way my face is, look at my skin, look at my body, look at my body, look at my face. I'm not applying any makeup, nothing. I have not applied, I didn't apply any makeup on my face, nothing. As you can see my body, and I've been using it now for 3 months. So the gradual effect of the lightening and this thing of the fairness in it is slow. Is slow. It is not something that bleach your skin. That one is sure. It doesn't bleach the skin. But the lightening effect, if you are the type that maybe you just want something that you use within 1 week, bam, you are fair. I don't think this is not the lotion. I'm talking on based on my own personal experience. You know, every skin is different, everybody is different. But based on my own experience of using this lotion, that this observation is based on my own personal experience. If you want a lotion that within 1-2 weeks you are boom, you are fair, to me, it doesn't make my skin look that way or become overnight or become fair within 1 or 2 weeks. No. But if you want something that will like bring out the natural fairness in you, natural fairness in you, that will be a gradual process, like 2-3 months. This is the lotion for you, because I start seeing noticeable changes on my body, my face, and my skin from the 2nd month to the 3rd month. And this is my 3rd month now of using this lotion. This is my 3rd month. So the lightening effect in it, the natural fairness in it, is a slow but gradual process. It will lighten your skin. It will make it to be fair in slowly, not sharp. To just make it to be, let me say, within 3 months you've seen the changes. And even in that 3 months, it will not make you to be like over or too fair like that. No, it won't. But it will make you to be fair, but not too fair like that, like, like other creams. And another thing I love about this lotion is that, one, it does not have a mercury, it does not have hydroquinone. We all know that those two ingredients is not good for the skin at all. It is not good for the skin. So this Nivea lotion, it doesn't, because that is even one of the main things. Because, like, as I said earlier, like, most of the time before I use any lotion, I check whether it has hydroquinone and mercury. So this Nivea lotion doesn't have mercury, it doesn't have hydroquinone, which is not good, which is harmful to the skin. So it doesn't have it at all. That is one thing that make me to love it so much. And it's not something that, that we like, because most of all this lightening lotion that, lighten people overnight, most of the time it is not good. It causes another thing, another damage to the body. Some say it causes cancer. I don't know how true is that, but as in this one will make the lightening effect slow, but you will achieve the lightening effect. It may take like 3 months, like as it took for me, 3 months, but you will get the natural fairness you want. So this is my honest review, honest opinion about this Nivea natural fairness, because as you can see my skin, I'm not applying any makeup. There is no makeup on my face, no makeup, nothing. This is just my body. This is the way my body is, as in from waking up from sleep. So I decided to do this video. So this is it. This is the way my skin is. So if you are looking for that lotion that will lighten your body or make you fair in a gradual way, gradual process, then this lotion is good to go. But if you are looking for something that within 2 days, 1 week, though skin are different too, but this is, as in, some people though I've not really seen anybody that use it and get that but lightening effect within 1 week. But we all know that, as in, people are different. But some of my friends using it, they see the same thing too. They achieve that lightening effect within 2-3 months, and this is my 3rd month on it now. So I say, let me give my honest opinion, honest review about it. So thank you guys for watching. And also, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, endeavor to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and whatever your thought and opinion is, leave it in the comment section. And also move this ministry to the permanent site by sharing my video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.